And obviously every SUV is different, right? And so when I measured this before, it was like 48 inches or so. Yours might be different, but I measured in here about 48 inches, but see, then it goes up higher over here. And so I was hoping maybe to fit at least one in here, and then when Mommy gets to the river, maybe she only has to blow up that double, the two-man one. We'll just see if this is gonna fit. Let's see. Put this in at an angle. Yeah, see. I mean, she'd have to put it up like that, but then, actually, I think it'll fit. Go the other way. I wanted to see if she could fit one of these in, and then she can still look out the back, and I believe that will still fit with the door closing down. And I think she'll be good. I mean, worst case scenario, you could put this, maybe, yeah, it's not gonna fit all the way. I think it will, because she can't fold the seats down because one person's got to sit in the back. Because I thought it would kind of go up above there, but it's not. I mean, the other thing is, if you can't fit yours in all the way, you can let a little bit of air out, and then you could scrunch it in there. Then when you get there, you won't have to pump the whole thing up. But you saw, it's not gonna take that much to get it in there, or to blow up, even if she doesn't have it blown up before she gets there. That should fit, right? Okay, and the double one, you see the measurements on there for the double was 93 by 62, I think, something like that. That looks nice and strong. I feel comfortable that she'll be able to take that down the Truckee River. And the Truckee River from Sacramento is a couple hours up Highway 80, and then you hit North Lake Tahoe exit and go up that way. And see, here's the double one, 95.5 by 62. Okay, so that's a lot bigger. I'm gonna end up pulling that one out here in a minute. Okay, but let's see how quick this air goes down. Just for kicks. I thought it would go down. Yeah, there, see? Look at that. It doesn't take very long to get this down. Okay, but I'm gonna blow it back up right here. So there's two areas you can unscrew it. It looks like. Come on. Boy. On my own strength, I got that second one on there. Come on. What happened? Oh, okay. No. I got that first one on there so tight. Boy. Okay, see there's a top one and a bottom one. I'm not quite sure why they did that. They did. So I'll have to make sure. Oh, okay. Yeah. On this one, if you just unscrew the top is not going to let the air go out as quick. So when you want the quick release air, undo the bottom one to get it all out. If you don't, you just do the top one. And so now I've got to start the car back up. See. Okay. And then once I pull it off of this fitting, there's a little rubber goodie in there, a little flapper that keeps it pretty much full until I can screw it down, okay? So, yeah, gotta start the car back up again. All right. Now I pull that out, and that little flapper keeps it from going down. Now I can screw the top one back. This time I won't screw it on so hard, I guess. There. Just make it snug. Okay, this one's ready to go, so at least she won't have to pump that one up. And if she's got a cooler or something, she needs to bring that with her. She can easily take this one down, knowing that it won't take much to get it back up and full. Okay. The other thing, let me get the car shut off here for a minute first. I'm gonna get this back closed, I guess. The other thing is on those pumps, that one hooks up to your cigarette lighter, okay? Now, they also had one at the store that you pump up manually, you know, with your foot. Boop, 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 boop. So if you're out somewhere backpacking, you want to take something, you want to take it out to a lake somewhere, yeah, of course you don't need electric for all that, okay? All right, so $20, that's all that was. Can you believe that? That's nice, I like that for $20. And this was $20, okay? And this one here, I'm gonna pull this one out next. This one is a 2-man, and that was $40. I'm gonna pump that one up just because it's got an area in the middle for like a cooler. I'm not quite sure what this is up there. Oh, I guess it's just an arm rest. And I was thinking, okay, if you're going down a river for a while, maybe you get tired of running everything with your right hand, just switch positions, jump out and get in the other one, or change seats real quick, and so that you can paddle with the other arm if you want. Okay, but I wanted to blow this up to see how wide that was, because it's not saying. And Momi, she's got a couple little coolers. Here's a little Playmate, and here's a square one here. But I'm thinking that maybe the Playmate is just a little bit narrower at the bottom to maybe scrunch down in there. I'm hoping this Playmate is going to fit in that 2-man. Now that's what we're going to do next. So if you want to watch that, stick around. I'll make a quick video of that one next. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos. I'm actually quite impressed. I thought this was going to be rinky-dink, hokey, and river run. This is a good one. It's from Intex, and the pump was from Intex too. Both of these are from Intex. Got them from Big Five, $19.99 and $39.99. So $20, $40, and this pump. This particular pump was $20, and it's blowing 650 L, whatever that means. Lumens? No, that's not lumens, it's something else. But 650 per minute, that was pretty strong, that one little pump. And I'm glad we ended up getting the $19.99 one instead of the, they had one for $14.99 or $15.99, and it blew 450 of this per minute. And they also, like I said, they also had another pump like this from Intex. It was $49.99. I'm like, what gives? What's so great about it? Because it still only blew 650. But it had, not only did it have this end, it also had an end coming out of it that you could plug into an electrical outlet. But it shouldn't cost that much more just for that. All right, so I think we did good with this $20 one. All right. Hope you enjoyed the video, and maybe it'll give you a reason to buy one of these or not buy one of these. But for my money, 20 bucks can't go wrong. All right. You know, that wasn't as hard as I thought everything was going to be. I'm glad I did a little dry run before Mommy takes these down the river. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.